C program for matrix. Our previous video is C program for matrix addition. So please go to the previous video for C program for matrix addition. Then only you can understand C program for matrix multiplication. So please view my previous video on C program for matrix addition. This program is a minor modification. This is C program for matrix multiplication. So everything will be the same, but the calculation of the matrix multiplication will be different. Input, output, size, everything will be the same for the C matrix multiplication and C program for matrix addition. Only the calculation of multiplication will be the different. Matrix multiplication, it is a theory. Consider two matrices, size m by n A and B, its size is P by Q, are to be multiplied. Matrix multiplication is defined, or it is possible only if the number of a column of the first matrix, that is n. The first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, that is n should be equal to P. If n is equal to P, then only this matrix A and B can be multiplied. That is, matrix multiplication is possible only if n is equal to P. The product of the two matrices C will be of the size. So A is size of m by n and B size is n by q. This number of column of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Then only the matrix can be multiplied. Here the sign is wrong. It is multiplication sign. So C m by q is equal to A m by n multiplied by B n by q. So the multiplied matrix, the size will be m by q. So something is wrong. It is multiplication. The ith row and jth column of the C is given by Cij. This is the definition of the matrix multiplication. Aik int multiplied by Bkj. Summation over the repeated index. K is the repeated index. So summation over the repeated index. This K will run from 1 to n. This K. So Aik into Bkj is summation over the repeated index. So Cij is equal to Aik Bkj, summation over K is there. Here I and 1. I runs from, I is the row number of the first matrix. It will run from 1 to m. And J is the column number, column variable for the B matrix. It will run from 1 to q. And K will be run from 1 to n. Program for matrix multiplication include standard input output header file, constant input output header file, void main. The variables, integer variables I, j, k, m, n, p, q are the integer variables. A, B, C are the array, floating point arrays. Clear the screen. These everything I have explained in the previous video. Getting the size of the matrices A and B, give the values of row and column of the first matrix will be printed out. Scanf and the size of the first matrix. It will be stored in the m and n. Number of rows of the first matrix will be stored in m and the number of columns will be stored in the n. Similarly for the second matrix in P and Q respectively. If n is equal to P, so this is the difference between matrix multiplication and addition. Here n should be equal to P. Double equal means it is a logical equal. If n is equal to P, then only these statements will be executed. Brace. Within the brace, compound statements. Many statements are within that. So the bracket also different for different meaning. Equal, double equal means logical equal. Similarly, equal means assignment. Initially, I is stored. One is stored. One is assigned to the variable I. So this single equal is an assignment operator, and double equal is a logical equal. It tests whether n is equal to p or not. So the difference between equal and double equal. And the bracket also different meaning. Here this bracket is a function. So here this is also a function. Here the scanf is also a function. Printf is also a function. So this bracket for function. This bracket for many statements. Compound statements including many statements. And this bracket, this square bracket, is only used for arrays. So array variables will be put within this square bracket. So three type of brackets are there. Curly bracket for function, square bracket for array indices, and this braces for including many statements. So getting the elements of A and B matrices. Printf give the elements of the first matrix. So first matrix will be inputted. So I runs from 1 to m, j runs from 1 to n, scanf, percentage of f, ampersand symbol, aij. Everything is the same for the input in the addition program. Similarly for B, everything is the same. This is the block for inputting the matrix A. We have explained already in the matrix addition. This is for the second matrix input. And the third matrix is the multiplication. Here I is equal to 1 to m, j is equal to 1 to q. Cij is initially set up as 0. Then this is the program for matrix. This is the essence for matrix multiplication. Initially it is Cij is set up 0. Then Cij is equal to Aik. When k is equal to 1, it is Ai1 B1j. So the first element will be multiplied and it will be added with the previous Cij. Previous Cij is 0. Then the first statement, when I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, when I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1, what will be executed is Cij is 0 already. So 0 will be here. Then A11 B11. It will be multiplied and it will be added with the previous element and it will be added to the Cij. So this equality is not this equal. This equal is a logical equal. This equal is not a mathematical equal. This equal is assignment. Mathematically, you will see this equation is wrong because Cij, here some other thing is there. It is not a mathematical equal. It is a storage. It is assignment. So previous Cij will be added with this A11 B11. So first A11 B11 will be stored here, C11. Next, all other things will remain the same. I will be 1 and j will be 1, but k will become 2. Then A12 B21 will be added with this previous. Previous Cij contains already A11 B11. Now A12 B21 is added. And the next k A13 B31 will be added, and so on and so forth. By execution of this for loop, the particular Cij will be calculated. Then for this j, for this for loop, various column will be calculated. For this side, various rows will be calculated. So This is the main essence of calculation of Cij. We have to calculate Cij for many I and j due to these two for loops. So within this block, Cij is calculated. So this is the main block which differs from the addition. In matrix addition, everything will be the same with the multiplication, but here the difference will be there. In the matrix addition, this for loop will not be there, this initialization will not be there. There it is Cij is equal to Aik plus Bkj, not like that, Aij plus Aij plus Bij. That's all. This statement will not be there. But here some more little more complication is there. So here in the multiplication, this is another thing, this is another thing. These are the extra fitting. So compare with these two programs. Then only you can understand completely. Printing the given matrices A and B and C, everything will be the same. For I is equal to 1 to M, for J is equal to 1 to N, print of Aij. This tab already we have explained in the previous program. This N already we have explained previously. This is for output statement for output printing of Aij. Similarly for B matrix. But C, the I will run from 1 to P and J will run from 1 to Q. Here I will run from 1 to M and J will run to 1 to N. And for C, I will run from 1 to M and J will run from 1 to Q. We have already explained. So it will print the Cij. So this block will print the multiplied matrix. If else, if that first matrix column is not equal to the row of the second matrix, then this else will be executed. That is, print of the matrix multiplication is not possible. It will print like that, and everything will be okay up to this one. You have to count the braces. How many braces opened? How many those number of braces should be closed. This is the bracket for that if statement. Get CH, and this bracket is for the bracket we have already opened in the void main. Okay. So when you have to go to the C program and see, whenever there is an open bracket, corresponding closed bracket will be there. Whenever there is an open bracket, there should be corresponding closed bracket. Similarly for braces, whenever there is a brace opened, here it is opened, it is closed. Here it is opened, here it is closed, and so on and so forth. Okay, thank you.